Hey everybody, it's BC here, and welcome back to another episode of Medieval Engineers. I did a little bit of work since last episode. Was working on the wall here. I'll show you how far I had gotten, and I also did a little bit of work on the house. And so what I did is I just spent the entire day before today in the game. It took me basically all day to collect all the sticks, and I got the wall extended out to here. And I've been thinking about where we're going to actually have it, or sorry, the entrance to the kingdom. And I do have a name for the place. I'm thinking about Fellhaven. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have another suggestion, I'm open to hear it. I did a little bit of work on the house here. This is something I'm going to have to point out to the developers. The eave trough has disappeared on this one side. I actually made it symmetrical on the other side here. It doesn't do that, but it does this weird thing on here. So, it's always good to let them know about little things like that. But let's go inside and I'll show you what I did. Like I said, open it up on the other side here. I actually put a door in and I put shutters, and they all work, just like so. And then, oops, go upstairs. There's another issue in the back. I'll show you about these things. But yeah, this house isn't waterproof. I don't know what's up with these things here. Here we go, and then we open this up, and we'll be able to actually see the castle right in front of us. It's going to be somewhere in here, I think. Sort of have an idea of what I have in mind. Sort of like it's not going to be a massive towering castle. It's not going to be a small castle either, but it's going to be a castle nonetheless. But yeah, what I want to do today is, like I said, I was going to do some work off camera on the wall and slowly build it, because it's take 20 goddamn episodes to build this. I've also been thinking about storage for building. I got the weekend coming up, so maybe on the weekend I'll spend a couple hours. I'll go set up a fast travel spot where I can store like 30 or 40 chests and just have everything cut. So, when I'm ready to go and need supplies to build, I can go ahead and build. Actually, what I want to do is I want to start laying a few things out as we go. I put some torches on the front of the house too, and it doesn't look too bad. I like it. Some people don't like the flame effects in the game. I like it. It really adds atmosphere, especially with the cobblestone. And you gotta have the I don't know what you call it, environment aspect, whatever. You're gonna eat and make a plow, Mr. Plow. I want to use a flat area too. Why can I not make this? The reason I want to use the flat area is I want to see if I can actually get some like automated harvesting machines going to make it easier when it's time to replant and harvest and whatnot. No, I don't want to plow there. I don't know where the fast travel point is, so I got to run all the way down there. There's going to be two fields. There's going to be trees just suddenly drew in like that. It's going to be a wheat field, and then there's going to be regular food. This is actually pretty flat, better than I was expecting. I was sort of checking this out before I started recording. This isn't bad. It's a bit of a slope this way, but we can deal with it. It should be okay. Maybe we'll even set up maybe like a little woodcutter shack at the tree line there on the outside of the fence. Wall, I should say. It's not going to be no fence. It's going to be at least too high. Maybe battlements. I don't know. Those things are pretty big. You gotta have them on the castle for sure. Yeah, a little bit of iron there. Not that we need it. But anyways, I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and plow out this area, and I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright, I'm almost done here. I had to extend the wall a little bit in the back here to sort of get an idea of where I'm going to be plowing, right? It's insanely difficult to try to get this thing straight. So I had to basically just back up in a straight line to actually plow everything. But yeah, it's going along. It's definitely got to get some sort of harvester in, but the ground seems pretty level, so it shouldn't be a problem. If it comes down to it, I'll get some old medieval engineering in and have the thing running on rails or something, and it should work. Like, there's no reason why the wooden wheels wouldn't follow the edge of timber. I used timbers to make sort of rails, and then just have the wheels on the inside, and then just pull it back and forth. Sort of like the train wheel has that flange, so the wheel sits on top of the rail, but the flange sits on the inside of the rail, and basically keeps the train on the track. All right, is that it? That is it. That is a huge area. Wow. Oh, missed a few spots. And we go right up in the corner. I'm probably going to replace that. I just had that there as a placeholder. Like I said, all the outside corners are going to have staircases in them. Maybe not so here because this is going to be all farmland. But I extended the wall a little bit ahead to actually build that just so I could put this on because it was going underground. And all the way up to here, and then we come up to the road. So then what I might do, I might extend the farm out. No, because we're already at the path here. So then the wall's just going to go straight across here to probably here or so, and then we'll just zigzag it a little bit, like so. Try to follow the contour of this, and then I'm thinking I'm going to have the gate up here. I know it's an awkward place for it, but I want to. It's the path. This is it. This is all there is. I've looked over on the other side, and there's nothing. And I actually found out where we need to fast travel to actually see this place. And it's this tile right here. Puts us right up on the mountain. Look at all that plowed field. Almost looks like I missed a few spots. It's going to be a little high up to see it. I want to see how far down. Oh, my heart just stopped there for a minute. I thought I was going to die. Let's get over here where it's a little safer. There we go. Yeah, I want to have a good vantage point of this. Like even over there would be nice. I don't know where that would be though. Probably. Should technically be there. Let's find out. Yeah, close enough. Right, then we can go over on the other side here. If it'll let us, yes it will. Oh, no, we can't quite see it from here. Oh, a little out of the way. Oh, and I'm dead. I'm done. Oh, okay, I lived. That was a scary one. Can we see it over here? Yes, we can. What is that? Oh my god, that's all flax. Well, we might as well go grab that. Let's go back here. We are here. We want... There. Let's go get some flax. Where is it? I saw flax. Saw a huge river of blue. I don't know. Oh, it's gonna be... I have a feeling this is gonna look nice if I can pull this off. As long as we don't have a castle failure, we should be okay. Alright, anyways, let's go get some seeds and get some stuff planted. Where was home? That was home. Yes. Because I dumped everything off so I could have room for sticks. And then we'll see what we have in the campfire. Maybe we'll get some other stuff going. Oh, that one's empty. Don't have anything in there. Too bad we can't put... Oh, there wouldn't be food in there. Oh, yeah, millstone. Grab the wheat. I'm just going to grab it all. It's all going to be seeds. I do have plenty of bread to do me for now, speaking of which. Have a bit of a snack. Okay, I got pumpkins, herbs. Probably need more herbs. I'll have to get another area set up for flax. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna have the... We'll call him the tailor, I guess, because it's a textile thing, right? So maybe we'll have it over with the farm. Maybe he can be next door. Right, you got the main farm here, and I'm actually looking at this now. It might be could be a little bit bigger, but I think it's gonna be okay. But if we have the farm here for the food, maybe. All right, this can sort of be like our agriculture area. I'm gonna have the farm here for the food. We can get probably a little flax field here. We don't need something that big, and then have a little banner shop, textile place, whatever they may end up adding to the game too. And then we can have the woodcutter on the outside, and then if they ever had livestock to the game, which I'm sure they will, we might have to get some farm set up somewhere. Like different type of farm, maybe even over there. But anyways, I need to find more herbs, I think. I need to find seeds. Seeds, let's see what I can actually make right now. I got 2 herbs. That's right, you get a bag of seeds too. Get pumpkins, and make a whole bunch of wheat seeds. A whole bunch more. Let me slurp my coffee here. Ice cold, you can tell I've been recording. Alright, let's get out of this. So, let's go, sow the fields. Ooh, grab the cabbage. Oh, really? Oh, I want that cabbage. Give me that. Give me that. Gotta get some cabbage planted. There's gotta be more. Gotta be more. Right, like even with the deer, you should be able to breed them. Somehow breed them or something, because they're a source of meat, and it's the only source of meat you can get, other than the usual gifts that the barbarians bring by. And sure, you gotta fight them for it, but you get little gifts from them. What was I looking for? A cabbage. I can't even make any seeds with 1 cabbage. That sucks. Oh well. Actually, I think I needed 5 for the cabbage, don't I? Cabbage. Yes, I need 5 cabbage. I don't think I have anything left over at the other place. Over at the mine. Anyway, let's go ahead and get some planting going here. See, wheat, pumpkins, and herbs. And the only thing that can actually feed us right now out of that is a wheat. Now, just wondering how much room I want for wheat. Because I wanted to have this divided too, right? I might go ahead and put like either a railing or a palisade down the middle. Maybe. But no, I don't think we can, because that might actually interfere with the wheat being planted, or any crops being planted for that matter. Okay. Oh yeah, I hate that. It's another bug I gotta report. If you try to plant too close, you lose the seed. Alright, let me get some seeds planted, and I'll bring you back when you got some crops. What do you want? Huh? Just trying to plant some wheat here, man. Where are you going, huh? You stay away from my house. Stay from my house, you bastard. That's what I thought. What'd you give me? What'd you give me? Get out of my way. Oh, hey, deerskin. I'll take that. Give me that. Give me that. Thank you. Now I gotta go check on my house. Yeah, I was just planting the wheat and just came out of nowhere. Kind of worried now they're gonna start attacking my house now. So let's go check this quickly here. No, everything's still intact. Is there another one? Oh no, he's gone now. Okay. Alright, back at her. Okay, I am done. I think it took me about a day and a half to get all the stuff I actually Found some cabbages just over on the hill over there, so it was a lucky shot. I got a bunch of herbs over here. I got cabbage over here. I got 3 rows of pumpkins here, and then this is all the wheat. And I can't wait to see that wheat field grow. So what I think we're going to do is next episode we might maybe we'll get the flax farm going too, just since we're on the farming right now. I also had an idea of something I could do to possibly guide the plow. I might be able to have like overhead guide rails, and then whatever's going to have the the plow and the seeder, which is the 2 things I'm really actually going to really need to plow this. I have them on like a carriage. I could even probably have it, you know, just this big long Minecraft-like contraption. Maybe like 8 different plows and seeders all hooked up on one big thing, and just run it down the line, pull it back, and there you go. But anyways, I think we're going to call the episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about the house, if you anything you'd like to see. Actually, there's one thing I want to do since I actually have the materials to do it now. And when I was over there, I gathered that cabbage over on that hill there, and I was walking back and I saw that peak of that roof come over the little crest of this hill here. It was like, yeah, this is gonna look really good. You know, I was actually thinking about possibly like the wooden palisade wall, but I don't know. I think the stone idea might be the best. But let's see, is it in here? Yes, it is. The deer mount. What did I do with that hide? Oh, I think I put it in here. And there's the antlers. Oh, that hide's on me. I just saw it. Okay. So what do we need for this? 1 timber, 1 deer skin, 1 antler. Alright, craft me a deer mount, please. Now, where are we going to put this? Do we put it right here? Sure, that works. That works. Get out of my way. Alright, anyways, that's going to be it for this episode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.